Guys, I have another toolbox which I just have purchased to show you. I'm extremely satisfied with it. It's fantastic bargain for storing the tools. So let's have a close look at it. The toolbox is made by US General and I bought it in the Harbor Freight Tools. It has 13 drawers, 3 of them are deep ones, and the top one goes all the way across, which is fantastic feature. It came with this very nice top rubber mat, which you can see here. And also all the drawers had a liner, the rubber liner. It has heavy duty wheels and it's really easy to move it around in the shop. And this is how it looks with the drawers fully extended out. So hopefully that gives you some idea. Stay tuned for more videos and have a nice day.